Dude, the rings look frozen solid, right? What do you say? Oh yeah. Okay guys, let's pour some Ciroc out. The Ciroc peach. So let's see now, can we get through? Oh yeah. I think I can put this, I don't know, I think I feel like putting this in the freezer. If you're this close, why not go all the way, right? This is America, don't stop now. Seal this bad boy up. It does look cool though. It does look cool. Let's put this in the freezer. We need this ice cold. Right there. Beautiful. Dude, I know the rings look frozen. The rings look frozen solid, right? What do you say? I'll tell you what I can do. Let's pour one straight. And then let's pour one. I'm curious to know what it tastes like. And let's pour one as a drink, okay? So I got some ice in here. Oh Lord, my beautiful ice cube, okay? Pour that in there. Just a little bit of mango nectar, okay? They call it mango because I guess they can't call it nectar. But previously, before that lawsuit, they were mango nectar. Mango. How do you go from mango nectar to mango? Damn, I ain't got no strainer now? Okay, whatever. Old school. We had a bartender, this is the only way she used to strain. She never used to use a strainer. I'm talking about you, Melanie. Dude, it's good, but it need a mixer, you know, because I mean, this is, damn. Holy crap. Candy does make the world better, okay? Look at that, homeboy. And there you have it. Peach ring Ciroc. Nobody know what the hell it's called, okay? But it's delicious, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna hit this little bit here. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. This damn thing tastes like freedom. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy. This is a winner. Seriously.